RSI, MACD, ICT, Fibonacci. What trading system are you going to use? Whoa, what trading system are we going to use? So many trading systems to use, and so many traders use them all. Use them all together, put them all in there and throw them in. So many indicators. What's the best indicator to use? Well, definitely not all of them, that's for sure. I mean, stochastic, moving average, convergence, divergence, and then you've got the RSI, and you've got the moving average crossover. That's a big one, the moving average crossover. Or there's the death cross through the 200-day moving average, or the 50-day moving average crossing through the 200-day moving average. You've got the 9-day crossing the 20-day. Am I confusing you yet? It gets crazy. So let's talk about what the best indicator is. Hey, it's Rob Gilty, it's logical trading. Don't forget, trading is risky. 80% of traders lose money, and you might lose money too. So if you don't like losing money, don't trade. It's totally up to you. But let me let you in on a little secret or a little trick. Take all the indicators off your chart. Take them all off. Take every single indicator, put it in the bin. Okay? And then just look at the charts. Look at the patterns. Maybe put a support and resistance on. Maybe put a supply and demand on. And you know what? Bob's your uncle. It all simplifies. It all gets easy. Look with me. I do put the RSI at the bottom because that strength index kind of tells me when it's overbought, oversold, or if there's a divergence in the price. But I don't use it to trade. I just use it to, it's sort of like look down there and check it out, man. Just like, hey, what's going on? That's all. I've got my support resistance. I've got my things going on there. And I might just take a quick glance because, I mean, if I'm thinking of going long and the thing is way above the overbought system and there's no divergence and it just looks too high, then I might think, maybe I should wait for one of the other trades. You know, that's as bad as it gets with the RSI for me. And the only reason that I might actually put it on my chart. I used to use MACD, you know, the crossover MACD, and man, they're all lagging indicators. They all lag. So in other words, it's like the moving average crossover. Once you take the trade, guess what? Once you take the trade, it's too late. The trade's too late, man. So you take the trade, you get in, half the move's gone already. When it comes back and it's time to get out, it has to come back pretty far before it crosses back, and then you lose out there as well. And it doesn't really give you an idea where to get out as well. So these indicators, these lagging indicators, are very seldom good indicators to tell you when to get out. They're not bad for telling you when to get in, but they do tell you to get in a little bit late because it lags, right? So your best, if you're going to use an indicator, your Fibonacci is probably one of your better ones because it's not lagging. You know, it simply comes down to the golden area, very much like support and resistance. You can trade it. But your moving average crossovers, your ATRs, your MACDs, your stochastic indicators, all of these are lagging indicators. You can use volume with your trading because volume will tell you if the volume's light and the price is moving, it's a bad thing, okay? If the volume's heavy and the price is not moving, interesting, okay? So watch the volume. It's a lot of buyers and sellers all together. It's not just sellers and buyers. It just tells you there's a lot of volume in the market. And if there's a lot of volume in the market and you're looking at a trade, then it's a good sign. You can use volume for trading. Some people actually only use volume for trading. I personally don't. I just watch if the volume's too light. If the volume's too light and there's a big move, then I back off a bit and I think, wait a minute, you know, what's going on here? Why is this price moving but the volume's not moving? So something's going on here. So that's something to watch out for. Hey, do me a favor, check out my blog. 10 seconds of your time, that's all. I got a secret blog. It's in the description, it's in the bio. Check it out. Every day I post a trade. For those of you who are interested in seeing what other people are trading and what's going on a daily basis, I post one of my trades there every single day. This is not financial advice, it's just a trading idea. Enjoy it. So if you checked out the blog, then you know that I give you a trade every day. So yeah, if you want to watch it, go for it. It's an idea. But don't follow my trades. I'm a 50-50 trader at best. I just manage my risk. I just use the support and resistance, and I just manage my risk. So I don't use any indicators. My secret is I take all the indicators off the chart and throw them in the bin. When they're all gone, then I just trade the support and resistance, guys. It's as easy as that. So the best indicator to use is no indicator. Ooh. That's it. So that's me for today. So I want to say bye just now, but first I want you to like, comment and subscribe and follow the channel, and let's build this together. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.